What's up, guys? Back again with me, Mooney. And today, you're listening to Money Talks. Did you notice? Big money's running away from crypto. Again. In just 2 weeks, over $1.3 billion left the market. Yeah, billion, with a B. So what's going on? Is this the start of another panic wave? Or is smart money just reshuffling before the next big pump? Stay with me. This one's important. According to CoinShares, last week alone, crypto investment funds saw $1.3 billion in outflows, mostly from Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's the second week in a row, and it's the largest weekly outflow since early 2022. So yeah, it's not your average dip. This is big players moving real money. Some analysts think it's because of the US government shutdown drama and weaker macro data. Investors just don't want to risk it. But here's where it gets interesting. Even while the money's flowing out, regulators like the CFTC are talking to giants like CME, Nasdaq, and Cboe about launching spot and leveraged crypto trading. That's right. The same institutions pulling money might actually be setting up new playgrounds for the next bull cycle. Think of it like a strategic retreat. They're not leaving the battlefield, they're just reloading their weapons. When institutions dump $1 billion, usually retail panics. Prices drop, headlines scream, crypto is dead. But guess who buys back cheaper 2 weeks later? Yeah, the same whales that caused the outflow. It's the oldest game in finance. Shake the tree, grab the fruit that falls. Smart investors don't panic on red weeks. They look at on-chain data, funding rates, and sentiment, not headlines. The outflow doesn't mean crypto's dying. It's a sign that big money's positioning, not disappearing. Watch macro events this month. The US shutdown resolution, the next Fed rate decision, and ETF flows. If liquidity starts coming back, this could flip fast, and you'll wish you paid attention. Disclaimer, this content is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial or investment advice. So what do you think? Is this just market manipulation? Or are whales genuinely scared? Drop your thoughts below, and if you're holding through the chaos, hit that like button. Stay sharp, stay early. See you in the next one.